So if I say something like, or if I'm like talking to models, is why I'm gonna record the call with my GoPro, and then you hear both going off. So we need to get these models launched. Zoe needs to do the content. She can also verify her own Paxum. It's gonna be, I feel like it's easier. We do payouts, just send it to the Paxum. But yeah, at the moment she needs to focus on the content. Doing the content, and Reese needs to do the marketing content, blueprints and all that stuff. So that's pretty straightforward, man. Like you guys, but it's just happening too slow. So I got another girl who's maybe interested on Telegram that I was talking to on Instagram. She's brand new, petite type. So
also, okay, go ahead. Well, just tell me if you need to actually, I think you can handle it yourself.
What's that?
I was saying handle it yourself, the new model you're talking about.
Yeah, I think it's a US model.
Also, I do have a concern because I always push hard for Isabella to Isa, the model we have now for trans. We're actually sending a lot of marketing content, and it keeps really kind of getting slow. So I don't know what to do. Actually, just about to have a meeting with Queenie. If there's anything else we can change or do to actually.
What are you talking about?
Isabella Trans, the one we have here.
Yeah.
I keep pushing hard for her to actually keep a lot of making content. The same thing I did with Nick before. So more contents are kind of getting delivered to the marketing. The thing is, the sales not really changing. I'm not saying that, I was actually hoping it would reach at least $5,000, $6,000. The one I did, the same thing I did with Nick before. I don't know what I need to do. Actually, just about to jump on a meeting with Queenie to actually see what we can do better or what we can actually change. I was hoping to actually do the same thing or duplicate the same success we had.
Yeah, I think their branding could be a bit better on Reddit, but again, need to check and get feedback from the chatters. Why isn't the content selling as good? And they should be able to tell you. So you should be asking Ira. If there's traffic, should be able to be making sales, and then they should be giving the proper feedback.
Because in a month, I would deliver content that samples to either 3 to 4 times.
Yeah, it should be more sales. Maybe it's her look. I'm not sure.
Not really. It's just pretty, I believe, but I don't know.
Yeah, something's missing.
It must be. I'll try to change because Queenie has gathered a lot of new ideas. I'll try to listen to her because I'm the one who's going to change samples to Eva. I need to increase her sales because that would increase my commission.
Park somewhere?
Can I park here?
Yeah.
Down at Railway Landing Pier. So we're getting some crabs. We're getting some crabs. Prawns.
อันนี้มันต่างกันไหมอันนี้450มันต่างกันไหม
ครับผมได้นะครับ4ตัวใหญ่
โอเค
ๆเดี๋ยวแล้วก็กั้งกี่ตัวดีครับ
ได้สินะ
Yeah.
เดี๋ยวตั้งเอาสัก
4ตัวได้ครับผม
5 ตัวก็ได้ไข่หมึกเท่าไหร่
You wanted squid egg?
just two
380 บาทครับผมโลละ380
380
สัก2ตัวก็ได้ผม2ตัวเดียว
อันนี้ขายที่ได้ไหมครับ
ไม่ทำที่บ้านเหรอครับไม่ได้แล้วครับเดี๋ยวไม่รู้ว่าต้องน้ำแข็งให้ไหมน้ำแข็งดีกว่าไหมถ้าอาหารไทย
Railway, Naihan. We're at Naihan beach now. Test out this GoPro. It's been a while since I've been able to take a camera down to the beach. It's been a real minute. The last time what happened is it was the wrong equipment really when we went to Bali, but this time we got the GoPro, and look at this, bloody amazing. This can go under the water, this GoPro, and I think it's 100 meters, no problems. So looking to test this out now. We just went to the fish market. Oh shit, like that shit's actually a bit pricey. New Zealand, we can just go for a dive. I don't even know how good this microphone built in is going to be as well. But yeah, the seafood prices at the market are a bit like expensive. It'd be good to know like a good diving spot we can just like go diving in to get some free like food, but I guess everyone will be doing it compared to like New Zealand where there's like spots and that. But yeah, I really want to test this GoPro out. Quality of this GoPro under the water. Oh, it's back on. Okay. Yeah, let's see how this footage turns out to be like. I wouldn't say the water's like super clear right now, but yeah, interesting to see. Interesting to see how this quality turns out to be.